Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make paneer from scratch. To make roughly 250 grams of paneer, you will need 2 litres of whole milk and 60 millilitres of lemon juice. Start by heating the milk in a pan at least 2 inches higher than the liquid. This is important as when the milk boils it can easily spill over. Stir the milk every 30 seconds to stop it sticking to the pan. As the milk gets hotter, stir more often. Keep an eye on the milk. As it starts to boil, turn off the heat. Stir the milk gently and add the lemon juice. Continue to stir gently and you will notice the milk quickly starts to separate into clumps. The slower you stir, the bigger the pieces will remain. Allow to cool for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain through a sieve to remove most of the water. If you have a cheesecloth, simply tip your strained paneer onto it, then pull the edges up and tighten to remove more moisture. You could at this stage simply cover with a plate, then apply something heavy to the top. If you don't have a cheesecloth, a clean tea towel will do just as well. Press into the shape you want your paneer to end up, then place on a plate with another on top in the fridge for 60 minutes. This will remove slightly more liquid and form the paneer block. This will last up to a week in the refrigerator. Cut into the size required and then use as desired. Check out my pan-fried paneer recipe for more tips, and check out many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.